Hey friends, if you encounter Windows Update error 0x800703F1, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. Sorry, the System tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshooters. Click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. It will start detecting problems and fix them if possible. The next solution is a clean boot. Okay. So search for System Configuration in the Windows search bar and open System Configuration. Go to the Services tab and then click on Hide all Microsoft Services. If any of the services check, click on Disable all, apply, OK, and then restart this computer. The next solution is to manually download the update from the Microsoft Update catalog. So go to any website, go to any browser, search for Microsoft Update catalog. Go to this website catalog.update.microsoft.com and then search for the latest month and year in the MMYYYY format. In my case, it will be 07/2024 and hit enter. Now check for cumulative updates for Windows 7. The product should be Windows 7 and the latest cumulative update. But if you do not find any of them, then you can check it for the previous month. Then click on download. You'll find an MSU file here. Click on it and then select open to run the MSU file on your system. Lastly, if everything else fails, then you can also reset Windows Update components, and I have a script for this. So this script will shut down all processes related to Windows updates. It will delete the contents of the software distribution in cat2 folders. It will re-register all the DLLs, and then it will reset WinSock and then restart the services. So copy that, search for command prompt, click on Run as administrator, paste them here and hit enter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.